All right, let's do our last eBay card break of the night. This ended last night. This is the first break we've done of this. This is 2018 Leaf Valiant football. So you've got 3 autographed rookie cards, plus then you get a graded rookie auto. So it could be a Beckett graded 9.5, 10, or a black label 10. So all the 2018 draft class. I think Saquon Barkley is the only one that's not in this. For some reason, he didn't get in on any of the Leaf breaks or Leaf products. But everybody else should be in here. So here is the rundown of Leaf Valiant. We got Brent S. with the Bears. Brian B. with the Titans and the Redskins. Brian G. with the Rams, Dolphins, Saints, and Jets. Carlos has got the Steelers. Douglas W. with the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, and Colts. Jason P. with the Chiefs. Jeff H. with the Vikings and 49ers. John W.'s got the Giants, Raiders, and Eagles. Kenny with the Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, Jags, and Patriots. Lance has got the Bills. Lee with the Chargers. And then Tony hoping for another Baker Mayfield tonight with the Cleveland Browns. You don't see anybody else talking? You try to log in and log out and log back in or something? Not sure what the deal is. All right, here we go. First time we got a Deron Payne. We are the champions. That's going to be 6 out of 60. That'll be going to the Redskins. So nice one there. Who's got Washington in this? That'll be going to Brian B. Let me get out the checklist or I'm going to be in trouble on this one. All right, next up we got a Dante Pettis, Take It to the House. It's going to be going to the 49ers. Number 20 out of 60. Then we've got a Michael Gallup. It's going to be the Cowboys, I'm pretty sure. Nice low number, 3 out of 5. That is going to be going to Dallas. And then the graded card, you got a 9.5 Beckett. It's going to be a Justin Jackson, which will be, let's see. Justin Jackson is going to be the Chargers. It's a nice 9.5 there, numbered 17 out of 60 on that one. So I think a couple first-round picks out of here. Deron Payne I know was. That'll do it for a first box of Leaf Valiant football. So we'll get those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And I've got several Leaf products that we'll do. We've got Leaf Metal football. We've got more Leaf Valiant we'll do. And some other ones as well. So be on the lookout for those coming up here over the next several weeks.